Hello everyone. We come from Group Capstone C23PS015 and our project we name NilaiPlus. Next slide. I will introduce our team. Machine learning is Alif Alfarizi, Alia Ratna Sandria, and Ipit Indiani. And from cloud computing is Maliki Shailendra Haki Sutafa and Iguste Ayujeni Aksari. And from mobile development is inactive is Maulana Alfan. Next slide. We have a background. The COVID-19 pandemic has had an impact on changes in the pattern of activities in society, where previously activities were carried out freely. Now they must pay attention to mobility restrictions, and this is certainly a driver of digitalization in almost all sectors, including the education sector. Digitalization in the education sector is considered to be the best way out to support the education system during the pandemic. In addition, digitalization in the education system is an effort to answer the challenges of the changing era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 because digitalization of education helps overcome problems in every educational activity and it's accordance with the slogan Merdeka Belajar initiated by the Indonesian Minister of Education and Culture. Next slide. Based on this background, we create a digital education system in the form of online report card. Next slide. The reason is we designed this online report card to display academic reports and the development of students at school so that it can make it easier for parents to monitor students, development and assist homeroom teacher in informing parents of their children progress while at school without the need for face-to-face meetings. The system is also expected to find out what fields are more interested and master as a reference to continue to hone and develop students' academic values. Next slide. What we came up with first is open data, enter the score that students have according to the subject, and second is recommendation, provide predictions of what students have basic interests and talents according to superior listen values. And the last one, everywhere and anytime, all areas of education. Next slide.
Okay, next for the machine learning path, we built a model that can classify basic students based on the results of subject scores. For the model, we use TensorFlow model, and for platform, we use Google Colab. Next, please. And this is our dummy dataset that we use with 6 features, including scores from 6 student subjects. Then the output column, which is the classification results of the 6 features. Also, in 100 data that we have, we use 82 data for training and 18 data for testing. Next, please.
Here I want to share to you all and want to explain about the machine learning model. In this model, in this project, we use TensorFlow Keras model and we use the CNN model to predict the dataset that we use. So we use the CNN model that that can be predict the dataset that already mentioned before. Next. So the total accuracy and the validation accuracy from the split data, 85 and 15, the training and the validation. Total parameters is 2,790. The training accuracy is 97%, and the validation accuracy is 93%, which is good for the prediction.
And here's a computing service. So in this this product and this project, we use a Node.js and Express.js for the API service, and we use a PHP MyAdmin for database and Laragon for the web developing and our product. Next. And then we use several Google Plus features to support our product and database development. For example, here we use a Google Cloud SQL to deploy our database, which is basically from PHP MyAdmin or MySQL. So it's very useful to deploy and to store the database. And to deploy the machine learning models, machine learning system, and API system or web apps, we use an app engine to connect it to the database from Cloud SQL. And next. And here is the prototype of our web apps. The name is NilaiPlus. This login feature, and you can input email or username. It's for admin yes, an admin UI, and you can use the password, which is encrypted with MD5 algorithm, and you can use a remember me to you will not be even re-login if you use your username identity. And then after you log in, you will get a dashboard. Yes, it's our dashboard. And then we use a Rumble or learning group. Which is a group of the class and semester, and it's their teacher class. And so you can see it. The group is for 1A, 1B, 1C. And then this view on UI for the student score, you can see, and then this class database or class UI, you can see it. Okay, and next, okay, we will demo our web app NilaiPlus. Okay, so this is our documentation. You can see our documentation fully at our GitHub. So you can access github.com/NilaiPlus. Here's our product and learning pad features from our from each learning pad. So you can see the machine learning features and machine learning and computing features and mobile development features. And next.
Okay, project milestone, July, deploy application feature, complete application with main feature, August, testing product, complete access needed, analysis and solving problem, October, build a better model, improve MRPs of the application, December, develop a complete attribute, and then plan local development. This is timeline, budgeting, and rules. And then budgeting 1 and budgeting 2.
So that's a presentation from us. More or less, we apologize and thank you.